individualism versus collectivism. Individualism prioritizes personal goals and attributes, common in Western culture, while collectivism emphasizes group goals and interconnectedness, prevalent in Asian, African, and South American cultures.
Self-construal. People in different cultures have different views of themselves. Other under interdependence, these views can shape individual experiences, including cognition, emotion, and motivation. Independent self. In individualistic culture, the independent self is viewed as separate with emphasis on self-expression and autonomy.
Interdependent self. In collectivistic culture, the interdependent self is inseparable from the social context, believing in the collective and fitting in. Cultural impact and self-perception. Cultural influence on how we perceive ourselves with individualistic culture, emphasizing unique and collective needs. Culture stressing shared social group membership.
Deculturalism. Cultural individuals may shape their self-concept depending on the culture they are trying to think about. For example, Chinese students in Canada show more independent aspects when writing in Chinese compared to English. Social behavior. Cultural difference in self-concept can affect social behavior. A study showed that European Americans preferred unique colored pins, while Asian Americans preferred common colors, reflecting presence of uniqueness versus conformity.